How to fix Google Hangout video call not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Hangout video call not working problem. So guys, for this you have to go to your settings, phone settings, and then you have to go to install apps or app manager. Click on install apps and then search for Hangouts. Here is it. Click on Hangouts and then you can see here app permission. Click on app permission and you have to allow the camera. And now again go back to your settings and then search for camera. So click on camera and then you can see here force stop button. Click on force stop and press OK. And then you can see here app permission. Click on app permission and you have to allow all this permission. You have to allow all this permission and the problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.